start with chopped salad because that's a very traditional Israeli salad. So we're taking the cucumbers. We have small, thin, nice smell cucumbers, and that's how we're going to start with the Israeli chopped salad. So we got the cucumbers chopped. See how small? Nice tomatoes. So we got this beautiful red tomato, which we are adding to the salad. Next is the pepper. Now we're going to do the onions. Now we do a little bit of this onion. I have a little bit of salt here, a little bit of lemon that I already squeezed in this nice thing. Squeeze the lemon. And olive oil. Olive oil. Really good for you. And that's it. The Israeli chopped vegetable salad is ready. That was quick and that was very good. Barry! Barry, come have some salad, please.
I'd love to.
How is it? Good? Shall I add garlic to it?
Lemony.
Yemeni. Shalom everybody, I'm here in my kitchen and Barry just came with a nice gift, this gift. And he asked me to make a nice big meal for dinner. Today is Shabbat and I'm preparing a Shabbat dinner. We're gonna use the olive oil that Barry got. This is great, beautiful color. It's like very deep, dark green. So the ingredients here are very, very simple. I'm having here mustard, 3 teaspoons of mustard. I have 1.5 teaspoons of honey. I have here mayonnaise and about 3 teaspoons, and I have 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Then I have 1 cup of olive oil, fresh from the press. And then I have lemon juice that I just squeezed from my lemons from my tree. It's awesome. And then I have garlic and salt and pepper, and that's all I need for what I'm gonna do. And Barry's gonna be very happy with dinner tonight. Let's see. I'm putting the olive oil in here, and as you can probably guess, I'm doing a salad dressing, and it's a Mediterranean salad dressing. It's really, really good, very delicious. And I got it from one of my friends from my work years ago, and I can tell you I do this salad dressing every time. Whenever we finish it, I make fresh one. So olive oil, lemon juice, I put the garlic. I'm crushing some garlic inside, And I'll blend it all in the blender in a minute. And I have this wonderful blender here that will blend everything. So we're putting, again, the tomatoes to give it a nice color. Then we put the mayonnaise, 3 teaspoons of the mayonnaise, 1.5 of honey. This is fresh honey. You know, honey and garlic go very well together. And then we put some mustard. That's the mustard, 3 spoons. Depends how sharp you like it. You don't have to put all 3, you can do 1. You can play with the amounts for the ingredients. And then I put pepper. I put like one very small teaspoon. It's like half a teaspoon of pepper. A little bit of salt. I don't put a lot of salt. People can always make this saltier when they eat it. That's it. Now we're gonna put it in the blender. It's gonna make some noise here. If we want it a bit more liquidy, we can add some water to it, but I like to keep it just like that, and we can put it in the jar. Wow, this looks so delicious. I love the color of it. Let's call Barry. Barry, you want to come and have some dinner?
Batya, I'm so hungry, I could eat a dinosaur.
Sorry, Barry. Today we're going to have a vegetarian, nice Middle Eastern salad.
Salad?
Yes.
Well, that's healthy.